Why are my RC controls unresponsive? Imagine trying to steer your remote control car or drone and suddenly nothing happens. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. Many times the cause is simple and fixable. Let's look at what might be going on. First, check the batteries in both the remote control and the RC toy. Dead or weak batteries are the most common reason controls stop responding. Make sure they are fresh, installed correctly following the plus and minus signs, and that the contacts are clean. Corrosion inside the battery compartment can block electrical flow, so clean it gently with a small brush or cloth if needed. Next, look at the signal. RC toys communicate through radio frequency signals. If the toy only responds when you are very close, the antenna might be damaged or weak. Interference from other electronic devices like Wi-Fi routers or cordless phones can also disrupt the signal. Moving away from these sources or turning them off can help. Sometimes, internal parts inside the remote or the toy can cause issues. Loose wires, broken circuit boards, or damaged motors and servos can stop commands from working. Testing the remote with another compatible RC toy or testing the toy with a different remote can help identify where the problem is. If the remote works with another toy, then the issue is likely inside the toy. If not, the remote might need repair or replacement. Environmental factors also matter. Operating the RC toy beyond the recommended range or around obstacles like walls, trees, or metal objects can weaken the signal. Keep the toy within the suggested distance, usually around 50 to 100 meters for most toys, and clear of obstacles. Sometimes, the problem is as simple as the toy's power switch being off or the battery compartment not being fully closed. Double-check that everything is turned on and properly assembled. Also, inspect the mechanical parts like motors and servos for damage or dirt that could block movement. If you notice any broken wires or damaged parts, replacing or repairing them can restore responsiveness. In summary, start with fresh batteries and check their placement. Then, ensure the antenna is intact and the environment is free of interference. Next, look inside the remote and the toy for loose wires or damage. Testing with other devices can help pinpoint the issue. By following these steps, you can usually find out why your RC controls are unresponsive and get back to having fun. Remember, most problems come down to power, signal, or hardware, and fixing these is often straightforward.